Hey there, Buy Smart Squad! Welcome back to the channel, where we help you make the smartest purchases without breaking the bank. Today, we're comparing two drones that are soaring high in the market: the Ruko F11PRO and the TiziToy Brushless Motor Drone. Spoiler alert. One of these might make you feel like a pro pilot, and the other might just surprise you. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the price. The Ruko F11PRO is priced at $389. Yep, you heard that right. It's like buying a small island in the drone world. Meanwhile, the TiziToy, a mere $99. That's like getting a drone and still having enough left over for a decent meal. The Ruko is clearly the Ferrari of drones, and the TiziToy is more like a budget-friendly scooter. But hey, both get you from point A to point B, right? Now, onto camera quality. The Ruko F11PRO boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 120 degrees FOV lens and a 90 degrees adjustable camera. It's like having a mini James Cameron in the sky. On the other hand, TiziToy also offers a 4K camera with a 120 degrees manually adjustable lens and a 110 degrees wide-angle lens. So if you're into capturing breathtaking moments, both drones have got your back. But let's be honest, the Ruko is like having a DSLR up there, while the TiziToy is more like your trusty smartphone camera. Good, but not quite cinema-worthy. Flight time is crucial, right? The Ruko F11PRO offers a whopping 60 minutes with its two powerful batteries. You could practically film an entire season of your backyard adventures. The TiziToy, with its two 1,600 mAh batteries, gives you up to 40 minutes. Not bad, but it's more like a short film rather than a feature-length movie. So, if you're planning an epic drone journey, the Ruko's got the stamina of a marathon runner, while the TiziToy might need a few pit stops. Let's talk features. The Ruko F11PRO comes with Follow Me mode, Tap Fly, Point of Interest, and hand gesture shots. It's like having a personal assistant in the sky. Plus, it has GPS auto return home, so it's like a boomerang. Always comes back. The TiziToy is no slouch either, with high-speed rotation, circle fly, 3 speed gears, gesture control, headless mode, and 360 degrees flip. It's like a Swiss Army knife of drones. But let's face it, the Ruko is like the Tony Stark of drones, while the TiziToy is more like Peter Parker. Still cool, but not quite Iron Man. Wind resistance is next. The Ruko F11PRO can resist level 6 winds. It's basically the Hulk of drones. Strong and stable. TiziToy, with its brushless motors and optical flow positioning, also offers good wind resistance, but it's more like Captain America, strong but not invincible. So if you're planning to fly in a hurricane, maybe stick with the Ruko. Customer service is where things get interesting. Ruko promises 30 days of return or exchange and a 90-day free warranty. TiziToy offers a detailed tutorial and 24-hour customer service. Reviewers have noted that while Ruko's support is reliable, TiziToy's customer service can be hit or miss, with some experiencing poor support. So, whether you prefer a generous return policy or someone to chat with at 3 a.m. about your drone issues, both have got you covered. Reviewers are generally impressed with the Ruko F11PRO, highlighting its build quality, ease of use, and long flight time. They find it a worthwhile investment despite the higher price. On the other hand, the TiziToy Brushless Motor Drone is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and good performance, although some users have faced issues with customer support. So there you have it, Buy Smart fam. The Ruko F11PRO is like the Rolls-Royce of drones. perfect for those who want all the bells and whistles and are willing to pay for it. The Tizzy toy is the budget-friendly option that still packs a punch. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or a newbie, there's something here for everyone. Drop a comment below and let us know which one you'd pick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another smart buy. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.